took a trip over to our rental property. It's windy as heck out here, but we're getting ready to replace the door because the wind has beat up the door. Folded. So that's gonna be going over this door right here. This is the screen door we're replacing it with. To make it easier, these products will be in the description below. It's funny, so just looking at this door, this was our first house. And some of the repairs I did, I really ain't know how to do a bunch of them, but this was the first door I put up. It took me like 2 days. It's funny though, looking down here, I done painted a little square on each side of here to match the wood for some reason because I didn't have the paint. So paint them screws with that nail the same color as the house. So I just mimicked it and made the paint come up. That's funny as hell. Just thinking about the stuff I used to do, like learning. But it's best I did it on my own house instead of somebody else's. So by the time I was done fixing my own, we know how to fix everybody else. But yeah, we're gonna throw up this brand new screen door here and get it going because it's windy and lightweight chilly. First thing I started with this install was installing J-channel on the ends of the siding because I didn't have no trim there at all. Back then I ain't even know, but now I know. So I installed some J-channel. And then I proceeded with installing the screen door itself. The screen door came in 3 pieces, which was real simple, a top piece, and then a piece on the side that the door is actually gonna lock in. Went ahead and mocked up the door, went ahead and threw 1 screw in there, and then went ahead and finished and threw in the other screws, making sure that it was level. Pretty easy install, really. You might need something to level the door at the bottom that you could sit it on, or have like some airbags to keep it up, pumped up straight, but turned out fine. Only thing was left was to install some doorknobs, but then we got a phone call that a tree fell at another one of our properties.